Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to create the viral reel about James Doakes, one of the best actor in the world. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So the first step you can do, you can access the CapCut first, and here I am using the CapCut with my Android phone. And don't worry, because this CapCut can be also installed into your iOS phone or even the PC, guys. And after that, you can combine or select the several picture or video or clips and put it into the project in this CapCut. And after that, it will be imported into this section. As you can see here, I have prepared 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 clips into this section. And for the first clip here, I didn't adjust the speed, just as it is. And after that, for the second and the rest of the clip, I will make it into 2 seconds or in every single clip like this. For example, the second clip will be 2 seconds, and this third clip I actually has tried to adjust the speed to become 2 seconds, but the result or the output only 1.9 seconds. It is okay, but at least when it is rounded, so it will be 2 seconds. And for the fifth clip here, I will put the duration will be 3 seconds, and for the speed I made it into the velocity effect, and you can click flash here and you can apply to it. So the effect will be like this. And after that, you can start to add the several effect, and here I put it into the layer. For example, for the opening effect here, I choose the open up effect. You can find it into this category of intro and outro, and you can click open up here. And you can also adjust the speed or intensity as you want. So the opening would be like this. This is the opening effect. And after that, I will also put the outro or the closing effect like this. Well, you can find this effect into the category of intro and outro too, and the name is TV off. You can adjust to it and apply. And for the look effect, here I choose 2 effects. There is vignette. You can find this effect into the category of motion, and you can simply scroll down and you find vignette like this. And I will put this effect into the entire clip, and so does the smart sharpen. You can find this effect into the motion again, or category of motion, and you can choose this one, smart sharpen, and you can apply to it. And just like the vignette effect, you can put it for the entire on or in the whole of the clip. And for the transition effect here, I choose Astral 2, and after that you can put this effect into this section between of the, let's say, clip 1 and clip 2. You can find it from the category of trending and choose the Astral 2. And after that, you can do the adjustment by adding the keyframe into this section. In the very middle of the transition of the scene 2 and scene 1, I put the keyframe like this, and after that you can adjust the intensity, for example, to be 59 or 60, it is okay. And you can move forward a little bit and at the keyframe again, click this, and after that you can adjust the intensity. For example, I reduce it to become 31, and also I reduce the speed to become here like this. And after that, for the last second of this effect, you can add more keyframe here and do the adjustment again. And after that, you can start to reduce the intensity, for example, to become 25 or less than that. So the pattern would be, this is the highest intensity, this is the lowest, and this one would be the lowest. You can do the same. It means that you can duplicate this effect that has been added the keyframe, and you can click duplicate here, for example, and after that you can move it into the transition of the clip, for example, the between the second clip and third clip, and also the rest of the transition, guys. And for example, I will put this effect into the transition of this clip 4 and clip 5. And the transition move it would be like this, and you can slightly move it to the left and make sure that the transition can run smoothly, something like that. So that will be the output. And for example, I'll show you the output or the whole video that I made here. So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and don't forget to try this tutorial. And you can let us know if this trick or tips or tutorial also work for you guys. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.